Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini Air Sign. This is July weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Gemini Air Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for you and what's going on, Gemini? Under the deck, 8 of Wands, 10 of Cups, 3 of Cups, and King of Cups. Wow, very, very beautiful reading. Gemini, there is lots of communication is coming for you in near future. And there is some positive shift is coming in your life. And there is happiness is coming, reunion. If you are in separation with your person right now, there is reunion is coming. And for some, those who are in relationship, upgrade in relationship. Lot of water energy. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Lot of water energy. So let's see your reading. Gemini, recent past, Knight of Swords, 10 of Wands, and Knight of Pentacles. I think you have multiple options. I'm saying two persons or more than two, maybe fighting for your attention, whatever. I am seeing multiple options. For some, it could be only one person. It depends. But you are feeling overburdened. Maybe one person is in and out of your life. And it is becoming hard work for you, and you're feeling overburdened. Maybe there is no clarity, especially the person who you are interested in. Maybe there are some issues with that person. Then present 3 of Swords, 9 of Cups, and 2 of Swords. You are wishing for this connection, but it is not happening right now. 3 of Swords. For some, right now there are some issues fighting going between you and your person. You are heartbroken and you are at some crossroads. 2 of Swords energy. And yes, but future, 6 of Cups, 6 of Wands, and 3 of Wands. You are thinking about someone a lot and they are also thinking about you. This is a strong soulmate connection. Maybe you are thinking about marriage, commitment, but you are getting results for your hard work, recognition for your hard work. And 3 of Wands. Lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries, or states, and you're still waiting on this person. Maybe for some, you are in separate right now, you are in separation with this person, but you're still waiting on them, you're still wanting you back. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you, Gemini. Devil, King of Cups, and Queen of Cups. See, King of Cups and Queen of Cups. Definitely, you both have strong emotions towards each other, but here, death, separation, and devil. I think for some, this connection or this person may be toxic for you. They are obsessed with you. So let's see. For some third party involved in this connection, could be children's also involved. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Okay. 6 of Cups. Yes, they are also thinking about you a lot. They want reconciliation. 5 of Swords. But there are some fighting between you and you. There is some fighting between you and your person. 5 of Swords. Maybe they cheated on you, lied to you. for some third party involved in this connection. And the Fool, they want brand new beginnings with you. They want to send some message, text, they're spying on you. Now they're realizing your worth. Maybe in past they hurt you because Five of Swords energy is here and Six of Cups. Now they're realizing your worth and they are thinking about reconciliation with you. So let's see their actions, their intentions. Page of Swords. Children's also involved in this connection. Knight of Wands. Yeah, they are coming back. If you are in separation, they are coming back for sure. Right now, maybe your person is at some crossroads, but they will come back and they're in slow moving, but they will come back. They're very, very attracted to you. They're still thinking about you. They wanna come back and they want reconciliation with you. Two of Pentacles. See, they are juggling, but they will get clarity very soon. Justice. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Libra and Wheel of Fortune. Divine timing. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they do love you. Eight of Cups. So they want to leave behind everything, that fightings, arguments, and they want to come back. The Tower. Right now they're going through Tower and they're missing you so much, Gemini. Five of Cups and the Tower. They are realizing your worth. And communication is coming. Justice. Maybe you decided to cut off this person from your life. Now you are very defensive, Gemini. But they want second chances with you, but you are taking your control back. So let's see mutual. One card, Ten of Cups, one card is pop. And Three of Cups. I think reconciliation. I think there will be reconciliation for most of you guys in near future because Ten of Cups with Three of Cups. For some, maybe you're in third party situation. Could be friends, could be family, could be friends, could be the issue here. And the Sun and the Devil. Definitely they are obsessed with you. Lot of obsession, lot of drama is going. But there will be reconciliation for some. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Lot of water energy. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. But you are taking your control back. Now you are totally in your control, Gemini. But they are coming back with a lot of passion. Friendship, for some you both are very, very good friends. For some they are putting you in a friendship zone. Text is coming. I feel so alone. Family issues. And I realized my mistake. Healing. So the messages are healing, family issues, I realized my mistakes, friendship, text is coming, I feel so alone. So these are the messages from your person and so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Lot of look at the bigger picture. Full moon in Sagittarius. So if you want to achieve anything in your life but you are not believing it, but this is the message for you. Look at the bigger picture. It will come true when you believe completely. And expect powerful change, new moon, eclipse. So there will be a powerful change, especially in your relationship or in your life. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.